This is Muchi. Say hello, Muchi. She's my new cat. We're getting another one, actually. It's Muchi and Miles. Muchi is a sweetheart. She wiggles a lot, though. Just want to let you know. Oh, little monster. Our week begins. So, I had to walk away from that mural. Not a good deal. They only wanted to pay me, and if I wanted to work with another artist, which I was going to, my good friend Kelly, about $500, and that was supposed to cover the mural, the labor, and everything. That's not real, man. Gotta pay real prices for real art. Them's the rules. So yeah, this is my little mic I use right now for most of my recordings, and I just want to tell you all the cool stuff that's going on. So, nothing, no. So I'm working on that guy. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do as far as all that goes. I feel like I want to represent all the feeling of kind of overcrowding and packing, so that people see what everything feels like. Want them to like look at it and be like, wow, that's amazing, but it just feels, I feel like my shoulders are pushed in. I think it's getting there. And then, you know, of course, Muchi and I are working on this together. Everything is a collaborative effort when it comes to Kitten. What do you think I should do? I think I should go with what I was going for, or maybe. She's so little. She lives in the studio. She likes to climb and touch things. Really bad. And I am inclined to see her through all these bad little adventures.